for day-to-night long-duration missions, achieving high-efficiency nighttime illumination. With the FL10 airborne lighting matrix light, lighting up the night through the power of technology. Featuring high-quality LED light sources and high brightness lamps, with a 60° beam angle, 6,000 lumens luminance flux, delivers powerful illumination from 150 meters altitude, applicable for manhunts, firefighting rescue, emergency lighting, night patrols, etc. Intelligently adapts to diverse scenarios, precision engineered to align with mission requirements. Quick release design enables installation in 3 seconds. Simple operation. Brightness can be adjusted via the remote control app. It provides continuous power to the device by the drone. FL10 airborne lighting matrix light. Banish darkness from every corner. Get a head start on your tasks.